Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make complete fish dinner with sweet potatoes and sauce. This is very simple to put together and it's very delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Now let's head over to the ingredients. Okay guys, here are the ingredients we're going to be using. Use any fish of your choice. Mine is already clean, so I'm going to be using some salt, some fish seasoning, and spicy oil. The spicy oil link at description if you want to learn how to make yours. So now I'm going to cut that fish open. Like I said, I've already cleaned, remove the skin of the fish. Okay, so after cutting them open, I'm going to marinate the chicken with some salt and the fish seasoning and that spicy oil. Okay guys, after marinating the fish, I'm going to cover them with that foil there, and you can actually leave them at the room temperature, but I prefer to put mine in the fridge until I'm ready to use them. But normally I make sure I allow them to marinate for minimum 30 minutes or 1 hour, but I allow it to marinate for like hours. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to pump them in the fridge and allow them to marinate until I'm ready to grill them. So for the sauce we're using for the fish, I have some bell peppers here, half onion, I have some ginger in there as well, and 2 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to blend everything together with scotch bonnet pepper as well, which is optional. If you want to make it spicy, you want to add more peppers inside. Okay, so I'm going to blend that into my food processor. I'm not going for smooth creamy texture. I'm going to a little bit creamy rough texture. That is what I am going for. So I'm going to do that now, then I'll bring you back. So the peppers are done blending. Now I'm going to filter them with my sieve. I want to get the excess water out of the peppers. Okay, you can actually cook them with the oil, the liquid if you want, but I love to filter mine for easy cooking. Okay, so now I'm going to add extra virgin of olive oil into my pan, allow that to heat up. Then I'm going to add the onion, the half onion. I use the half to blend the peppers. So I'm going to saute that for a couple of minutes, and while they are sauteing, I'm going to season that with that fish seasoning I used earlier on fish. So now I'm going to allow the onion to saute for like 2 to 3 minutes before adding the blended peppers. So after adding the blended peppers, I'm not going to be using that liquid, guys. Okay, but you can use them if you want. I'm going to stir everything together. Now I'm going to season them with my cube. I'm using all natural cube, no conservative cube, but you can use any one of your choice. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salt inside as well. These are the only seasoning I'm adding inside. You can add more seasoning if you desire. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to allow the sauce to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes or until you know that they are well cooked. Okay, then I'm going to set them aside. Okay guys, here is evening. I just came back from my running exercise, so time to make dinner. So I just took that out of the fridge now. they are already marinated, so I don't want to add any other thing. I'm using the grilled part of the oven to grill this fish 15 minutes each side. So while the fish are in the oven, I'm going to peel my sweet potatoes. You can use normal potatoes, okay? I actually combine these sweet potatoes with normal frozen potatoes, which you are going to be seeing later. So go ahead to peel your potatoes and slice them into your desired shape, okay? Then we move over to the next step. So after adding the potatoes into my oven tray, I'm going to add extra normal frozen potatoes like I said earlier, okay? They are all going to the oven. You can fry them if you don't want to bake them. So I'm topping them up with some potato seasoning and extra virgin of olive oil. Stir everything together and allow them to cook in the oven as well. So while the potatoes and the fish are in the oven, I'm going to go ahead now to prep my salad. I'm using iceberg salad. I love to clean my salad with some baking soda. Like I love to soak them in the water for a couple of minutes before washing them away. Okay, that is just my choice. You can use any salad of your choice to do this. So what I added there is baking soda. Hey guys, after 15 minutes, it's time to turn the fish over. And for those of you that will be wondering, I'm using 180-degree to grill this fish, and I'm using the grill part of the oven, okay? So I'm going to turn them over and allow the other part of the fish to stay in the oven again for another 15 minutes. Depends how powerful your oven is. You can also allow them to stay up to 20 minutes each side, okay? So here we are, the fish is cooked. Time to remove them from that foil and add them into our plate and add other ingredients, okay? Because even the potatoes are cooked, everything is ready, so dinner is almost ready. So here is me adding the sauce beside the fish, because you need the sauce beside the fish, you need the potatoes, you need the salad. Put the 4 ingredients together and you have a wonderful dinner, guys. This fish, potatoes, sauce, salad, they go so well together. They are complete, like complete healthy dinner that you don't want to mix. You don't want to mix to prepare for yourself, for your family. Trust me, you're going to love this dinner. You don't need extra sauce for potatoes or for salad, because that sauce they serve as sauce, they go to get so well with potatoes and the salad and fish as well. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Like I said, it's a very simple one. It's very easy to follow. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this complete menu recipes, okay? If you do, leave the comment and description and let me know what you think. God bless you all. Bye.